Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications here, you click on it. You come to next CPR, and here can you select categories of notifications you want here. Then you just click on account details. You come here to account liquidation here notices, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's main account liquidation notices disable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.